Hey guys, today we're going to be making slime, but not just any kind of slime, jiggly slime. We've all made regular slime soon, but today we're going to be making jiggly slime. There are only 3 ingredients you need. Glue, you don't know if I can do that, glue, activator. Oh, napkins are also used. Also a spoon, I guess, if you want. And water, of course. And those are how we're going to be making our jiggly slime. Okay, first things that we're going to need is some glue. Okay, that's good. It's going to be a lot. Second is activator. I'm going to be using staff flow. Not too much light. It's good. Okay, that's it. Spill. We're going to mix it up. Mixy. Here's what it looks like. It's really liquid. Okay, I think it's turning into slime now. Stretching over. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's just pop that out. Ooh, really nice. Okay, now we're going to be needing some water because you want it to be jiggly slime. Not bad. So we're going to split it in half. We can keep one the same slime and the other a jiggly slime. Let's make a big jiggly slime. Ah! God. Okay, so we want to make a jiggly slime. The water, I think this is too much water. Now we're going to add the slime into the water. Okay, so I got it now, mixed up. Then my hands start getting really sticky, so I'll mix it with a spoon now. Okay, so now I just realized the jiggly slime is so stretchy. So my normal slime, mix the other slime, mix it together. So right here, look how pretty that looks. Squish. So fun. Which slime is your favorite? Mine's probably the jiggly slime. Even though this is stretch much, but this one is definitely good for noises, like this. Ah, like this noise. Or these. so good. Okay, that's it for this episode, I guess. Bye.